Do you think you've seen all that an excavator operator can do? Think again. What you're about to see in this video will leave you astonished. We're talking about skills that you wouldn't believe, performances where even heavy excavators can fly through the air, controlled precisely to the millimeter. From daring rescue operations in the mud to maneuvering excavators across steep and challenging terrains, everything in this video will make you rethink what you thought you knew about excavators. These aren't simple tasks. These are performances by superhuman excavator operators who can turn an excavator into a powerful weapon, performing maneuvers that you'd expect to see in an action movie. So are you ready to witness the power, precision, and finesse of these excavator operators? Prepare yourself because you're about to see some action that will make your heart race. When machinery encounters critical situations, we need a perfect combination of power and control skill. Imagine an excavator trapped in a deep mud pit with only one chance for rescue. This is no easy challenge. And in this video, you'll witness a special scenario where the excavator isn't rescued the usual way, by pulling from behind. Instead, the operator decides to use the bucket to push the excavator out of the mud. A bold decision, but one that is incredibly precise. For an excavator, this method could easily cause major damage, but thanks to the strength and precision of the hydraulic system, the machine is rescued safely. Nothing is certain in a situation like this, but the excavator operator turned a dangerous situation into a victory. This is a clear example of creativity and careful calculation in handling heavy machinery. This is not just raw power, but a deep understanding of how each part of the excavator works. A skilled excavator operator not only needs to know how to operate the machine, but also how to optimize the functionality of each part, making the right decision even in the most stressful situations. When working on rugged terrains, operating an excavator is not as simple as you might think. Every step must be calculated carefully to avoid mistakes that could lead to accidents. In this segment, we will witness an excavator operator face a particularly difficult challenge, moving the excavator up a gravel-filled slope while below is a deep, slippery mud pit. If not careful, the excavator could tip over or get stuck. To overcome this challenge, the operator needs not only the power of the excavator, but also delicate handling skills. This requires precision in every move, from adjusting the speed to operating the boom and bucket. Each movement of the excavator could be a decisive step in the success or failure of the entire task. Moreover, handling these difficult situations also demonstrates perfect coordination between the operator and the team members. Every person plays a crucial role in ensuring stability and making sure the excavator moves safely through the tough terrain. This is a prime example showing the skill and finesse of professional excavator operators in unpredictable situations. When we think of excavators, the first image that comes to mind is usually of machines working on land, digging and leveling. However, one of the most impressive capabilities of modern excavators is their ability to operate on water. In this part, we'll witness an amazing performance by a Volvo excavator as it swims across a river. This is no simple task, as every mistake could lead to danger for both the excavator and the operator. Moving an excavator through water requires an incredibly delicate control. The excavator must be adjusted to ensure it remains stable in wet conditions, preventing it from sinking into the mud or getting stuck. Using the powerful hydraulic system, the operator can adjust the force and control the excavator precisely, allowing it to navigate through strong currents and deep waters without issues. This is a testament that not all excavators are limited to working on land. Modern technology and design have given them the capability to operate in many different environments. Once again, this is the perfect blend of technology, power, and the operator's skill, and this will definitely leave you in awe. When it comes to digging and rescue operations, it's not just about the power of the machinery, but also the excellent coordination between technique and machinery. Imagine a giant excavator trapped in a mud pit, with two bulldozers working together to free it. To complete such a task, it's not just about strength. It requires absolute precision in every maneuver. The excavator and bulldozer operators must work in close coordination to ensure every move is executed accurately. A small mistake in the pulling or failure to synchronize can lead to serious issues. When a bulldozer pulls the excavator out of the mud, the operators need to control the pulling force while keeping the excavator stable, preventing any damage to the critical components of the machine. This requires not only strength, but also careful calculation and incredibly precise handling. A skilled excavator operator doesn't just operate the machine efficiently. They also need to quickly assess situations and make the best decisions for each scenario. It's the perfect blend of human skill and machinery, where every movement is calculated and executed flawlessly. Excavator operation isn't just about handling machinery. It's also about leadership and making fast decisions in high-pressure situations. In dangerous scenarios, where even the smallest mistake could lead to disaster, the operator must decide instantly without room for error. Especially when working on steep, unstable terrain, every movement of the excavator must be carefully considered. For example, when an excavator needs to be maneuvered to a high area, the operator must carefully calculate the pulling force, the incline of the terrain, and the path to take to ensure the machine doesn't tip over. They must adjust each movement so the excavator can firmly grip the ground without losing balance. Each maneuver could be a life or death decision. Not only that, but these excavator operators also need to lead the team when working in situations requiring high coordination. They not only control the excavator, but ensure everyone in the team is doing their part to maintain safety throughout the process. This shows that operating an excavator is not just a mechanical task. It requires leadership, quick reflexes, and the ability to adapt in any situation. Finally, when looking back at everything the excavator operators have done, one thing is clear: excavators are not just ordinary work tools. They are giant warriors that can overcome any challenge, things most people wouldn't dare face. The skills of operating an excavator are not just jobs. They are an art. These operators aren't just machine handlers. They are artists, controlling heavy-duty equipment with pinpoint accuracy and creativity that only true experts possess. The daring situations they face aren't something just anyone would attempt, from rescuing an excavator from the mud to working on water environments and dealing with dangerous terrains. Every move they make is calculated carefully and executed flawlessly, as if the excavator were an extension of their own body. The combination of modern technology and human skill has led to miracles that we couldn't even imagine. This is a tribute to the excavator operators, the ones who turn the impossible into possible every day. They don't just work. They've turned excavators into a form of art, demonstrating power, precision, and finesse in every movement. Thank you for watching this video. If you were impressed, don't forget to leave your thoughts and subscribe to the channel to catch more exciting videos. See you in the next video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to Joc Tech so you won't miss any other exciting videos. Share your thoughts in the comment section below and let us know what excavator performances you want to see next. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.